Are you a League of Legends guy, Will?
No.
No.
I know about it.
You heard about it before?
Yeah.
I heard
It's a
it's
big game.
I heard it's a popular game. Maybe it's even a hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some would say.
A couple people play that game for big money, sir. I don't know. It's not that Dota money from the recent thing, but they play that game for big money anyway. They teamed up with Jordan Brand for a 2020 World Championship inspired Air Jordan 1 Zoom. Imagine that, a League of Legends Jordan shoe, limited edition, I assume. What does it say here? Over 100 million viewers during 2019's Worlds alone. So, yeah, kind of popular, Will.
Yeah.
The game, League of Legends. Kind of popular, Will. Get with the times here. Riot Games. Riot owns League of Legends. They enlisted the help from Jordan Brand to craft this Air Jordan 1 inspired by the first place trophy. So this is kind of, it's a little luxurious, colorful accents. You have a metallic kind of look, again, like a trophy. I don't know how you buy this thing. It's we're expected to get further imagery once the 2020 Worlds start at the end of the month.
So they're not on sale yet? I can't check StockX or something?
I don't think you can pick this up yet, Willie, dude. And I don't know what kind of price this thing would go for. I mean, it's getting crazier with the sneaker culture.
Yeah, that's true.
What you can pay for this kind of stuff. It could be 2 Gs. I don't know. Yeah. Remember we saw the Dior one the other day?
It was like 20, 30 grand.
Was it 20, 30 grand?
Yeah.
For a certain size that you might want to get. So I don't know what this one will be marked up for. You can assume that there'll be collectors that want to have this thing. For the time being, we just have this image to go off of. We'll get more soon. But yeah, if you're a League of Legends super fan, that might be worth something to you, especially if it's limited, as I assume it will be.